Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at this TobenONE 18-in-1 USB-C docking station. Now this is model UDS057 and this can handle up to 3 monitors and can do up to 4K 60 Hz. Now this is designed for Windows and Chrome OS laptops. And of course, if you are interested in this, it is linked below in the description. So let's go ahead, dive right into this docking station. So on the back here, again, this allows you to do triple monitor setups with your laptop. It also has data transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second, both USB-C and USB-A. Let's go ahead and open this up. So again, model UDS057. So in the quick start guide, it's got a resolution guide that shows you all the resolutions you can get with how many monitors you're using and your setup. You can pause it there and have a closer look if you like. It's really quite small. It's also got an overview of all the ports on the unit, and we'll go over those in a moment. Let's pull out the docking station here. So in the box, it also came with a USB-C to USB-C cable that connects the docking station to your laptop. So you may have noticed there's no power supply included here, and the way this is designed to work is you take the included USB-C cable, that goes in the to laptop port here, and the other end goes to your laptop. Then you would take your USB-C laptop charger and plug it here into the PD port. It has pass-through charging, so that's how you would charge your laptop, and this can handle up to 100 watts. So let's have a look at all the ports here. We'll start out with the front. So we've got our power button here at the top, and then we've got 2 USB-C 3.0 ports. Those are 5 gigabits per second. And then we've got 3 USB-A 3.0 ports. Those are also 5 gigabits per second. We've got a small little micro SD card slot and an SD card slot there. Super handy if you want to transfer files or photos. And we'll go over to the back here. We've got 3 HDMI ports, so you can connect up to 3 monitors. Now this is super handy because it's plug and play. You don't need to download any drivers, and it works with Windows and Chrome OS. And you can get resolutions of up to 4K 60 Hz, but double check that chart from earlier in the video. I can pop it up here as well, I guess. And that will show you the different resolutions for the different setups you may have. We've got a USB-A 3.0 port, so that does up to 5 gigabits per second. We've got the USB-C port that says 2 laptops, so grab the cable that was included, one end in the docking station, the other end in the laptop. We've got a 3.5mm headphone jack. There's also that PD port, so you can plug in your laptop USB-C charger in here, do pass-through charging. We've got a USB-C 3.0 port, so that again is 5 gigabits per second. A LAN port if you want to do wired internet, so that's 1000 megabits per second. We've got another USB-A 3.0, that one's 5 gigabits per second. And then we've got a USB-A 2.0 at 480 megabits per second. So let's go ahead and get this set up. So our cable, the one end goes to the to laptop port, the other end gets plugged into our laptop. And then I'll plug my laptop USB-C power supply into the PD port here. And I'm going to be connecting 2 monitors, so we'll connect those HDMI cables as well. Again, it can do up to 3. There we go, and we should be good to go. So the docking station started working right away. Again, it's plug and play. It was super simple to set up. I did make some adjustments in the Windows settings, so I have my laptop as the center screen. I've got a screen off to the left, which is this one here, and a monitor off to the right, which is that one right there. And if I grab a program or icon off my desktop, go right off the left-hand side of the screen, you can see it shows up on that screen over there. And you can go off the right-hand side of the screen and you can see it over there as well. So you can set that up however you like. I've got 2 monitors. Again, this does up to 3. Plus this gives me a whole bunch of extra ports. So USB-A and C ports, microSD card, SD card, and more. It's a great addition for expanding your laptop setup. So again, that's the TobenONE 18-in-1 triple display docking station for Windows and Chrome OS laptops. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.